Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Logitech MX Master 3 for Mac, and now I can show you how to change the input source of this mouse. So to change the source, to change the channel of the mouse, you need to find the button on this side of your mouse. So first, of course, you need to enable the mouse. So now it's enabled, and now as you can see I am using the second channel, but by clicking on it I can change it to third one, to the first one, to second, and to other. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.